What's up, team? Connor here, and on today's video I'm going to be showcasing a calisthenic muscle building body weight only workout that you can perform absolutely anywhere with no equipment needed. Now this workout is designed for beginners, so if you're just starting out, this is going to be a perfect workout to help you build that lean, ripped, strong, functional and athletic muscle mass. And these are the type of workouts that I use whenever I'm starting out, and for my clients who are on the Train Like a Warrior transformation app, help push them to get into the best shape and the best health of life. But most importantly, the workouts are progressively tailored, so each week you're pushing yourself to maximize results. Now we're going to kick off this workout with an elevated push-up. Okay? Now some people find push-ups difficult when they're starting out, so to get that perfect rep, I want you to have a slight elevation. Now you can place your hands on the edge of a chair, a bench, a pavement, a desk, whatever it may be, okay? And perform the elevated push-up. And I want you to work in that 8 to 12 rep range. So when I say 8 to 12 reps, I mean I want that movement to be difficult, okay? So you cannot surpass 12 reps. Maybe you're fatiguing around 10, that's going to be perfect, okay? And I want you to perform 3 sets of that. Now if the elevated push-up is too easy, I just want you to perform your regular push-up. Your hands shoulder width apart, core tightened up, you need to get the nose right down, touch the ground, and power up. That's a perfect rep. Okay? Now some people perform the push-ups on their knees, but I would rather you forget about performing them on your knees, have a slight elevation and perform it on an elevated surface. So this workout is going to be a full body, so we're going to target the chest, the shoulders, the core, the back, the legs, everything is going to be engaged throughout this workout. First set, elevated push-ups, 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Okay, team, the next movement, we're going to aim to target the shoulders, and of course the upper chest is going to be engaged in this movement. It's going to be a pike push-up. Now once again, you can have that elevated surface and focus on performing the elevated variation. Your hips are up high and you're just pushing right down, powering back up again. So as you can see, with that increased range of motion, you're putting more tension on the shoulders, and it's going to help overload and help you build in bigger, leaner, stronger, more powerful shoulders. Once again, if that is too easy, work in that 8 to 12 rep range with your normal pike push-up. Okay? Fantastic movement to really help build up and strengthen those shoulders as well as engaging the triceps and the chest. Moving on, team, we're going to blast the triceps, and I'm going to pick a very good movement to help overload and strengthen up those triceps, help you build those bigger, stronger, leaner, more athletic arms. It's going to be 3 sets of your diamond grip push-up. Once again, I want to showcase these movements with elevated surface, because that is how you're going to get better at them, that's how you're going to get stronger, and how you can advance to the more intense exercises. Diamond grip, like so, on that elevated surface, right down, chest touches it, that's a perfect rep, okay? Once again, if that is too easy, diamond grip, core engaged, back in that straight neutral position, perfect rep, okay? 3 sets in that 8 to 12 rep range. Okay, team, moving throughout, we're going to blast the legs now, okay? I'm going to showcase 2 more leg variations, and then we're going to hit the back, the rear delts, and the core. So the first movement is going to be your body weight squat. Feet about shoulder width apart, lower your body right down, keep that back upright, look in front, as low as you can, boom, perfect rep. If you can only go halfway, that is okay, okay? Just push yourself as hard as you can throughout each of these movements. If you can lower yourself right down for those perfect 8 to 12 reps, go for it. If that's too easy, throw the explosive jump in. So you're down and you're powered up, okay, down, powered up. Fantastic movement to really help build up the strength in the lower body and the explosive power. 3 sets in that 8 to 12 rep range again. So team, the next leg variation is going to be your lunge, okay? So your walk lunge. I want you to lunge forward, back, and repeat on that opposite leg. So try to stretch right out in front, back upright, look in front. Perfect rep each time, okay? If that is too difficult, if that's too easy, I want you to throw it into your explosive jump lunge. And I want you to work in that 8 to 12 rep range for 3 sets. Okay, team, the next variation is going to be your iron cross push-up. Now this is going to target the rear delts, which is highly overlooked when it comes to calisthenic training. I want you to spread your arms out wide, and I want you to power yourself up, okay? In that that 8 to 12 rep range. Take your time with this movement, focus on the contraction. That's going to help you overload those rear delts. Just strengthen them up and gain more size. Okay, now we're going to target the back with the back widow. Okay, so it's similar to the iron cross, only this time you're putting more tension in the middle portion of the back and upper traps. So this time, elbows in close to your body and power up. Let's show. Okay, take the elbows into the ground, squeeze it. Okay, now the same thing goes there with this movement. 3 sets in that 8 to 12 rep range, both of the arm cross and your back widow. Now that back widow is a fantastic movement whenever you have no access to a pull-up bar, helps strengthen up the back. And right here I'm going to show you a movement that's going to target the core, also the back, and that's going to be the Superman. So you've only 2 more movements left. It's going to be 3 sets in the 8 to 12 rep range of your Superman. Okay, so in this position, hands out in front. Okay, legs spread out for the extended behind. Then I want you to power up, bring those arms right down and squeeze. Just feel that contraction right through your back. Okay, right up and squeeze in that 8 to 12 rep range. Okay, team, now the final movement after you perform 3 sets, 8 to 12 rep range of your Superman is going to be your final core movement, which is your heels to head. Your legs are out straight. Coming in, kicking right up into the air. Okay, 8 to 12 reps for that. Trying to bring those hips right up off the ground. Arm right up. Now if it's too hard, you can just simply legs out straight and bring your knees into your chest. Okay, so 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps, and that right there is your calisthenic beginner workout complete. Now that's going to help you push yourself towards getting into the best shape and the best health of life, and allowing you to advance into the more intense calisthenic movements. Now I want you to perform that around 3 to 4 times a week if you're just starting out, or of course you can make any of these movements more difficult by increasing the range of motion. But team, there it is. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more workouts like this, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. If you're interested in working alongside me with the tailored transformation training like Warrior app, click the link below. Become a member now and join the squad. Again, have a good day, smash your workout, let me know how you get on, and I'll see you in the next one.
Will you fucking fight back?